Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click below your screen right here. Click on it and scroll down. You can see your settings right here. You click on the settings, then you click on account info. So here you have to actually update and complete your verification. So as you can see, I've not added my email, so you just have to update that. And what you're going to look at again is you have to look at your birthday date. You must be up to 13 years and above to actually have access to the voice chat. So as you can see, I'm actually 19 right here. So the next thing you have to do, you might just have to use your ID to verify your birthday. So you click on continue right here. So here you just have to complete the whole process of verifying with your ID. So I'm not going to do that now. You do that on your own. So the next step you have to do, this is where the voice chat is supposed to be. Click on privacy and content restriction. So you can see right here on communication, click on it. Yeah, and this is where you're supposed to see the voice chat icon just to turn it on. But since you don't have it, you have to go back, experience chat. You're gonna have to go back and you see your content maturity. So moderate. Sometimes you might just see your is mine, and because of that you cannot actually do that. But the reason why you cannot see voice chats, it might depend on the region you are actually. So some region have the features, some region like UK, US and the rest of them, but some African countries are yet to get that feature. So you might just have to wait. There's no other way for you to do that if it's not this way I've just showed you. If this guide was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.